Hello friends, how are you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to learn which iPhone to mirror on your Mac. In macOS Sequoia, Apple has added a pretty cool feature called iPhone mirroring, a new continuity feature that allows you to mirror and control your iPhone right from your Mac. In this hands-on video, I'm going to show you how to choose which iPhone to mirror on your Mac. That's it. Let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. Alternatively, you have to click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose the System Settings option in the drop-down menu. And then you have to choose Desktop and the Dock option. And then you have to head over to the widget section and then you have to click on the drop-down menu right next to iPhone. And finally, you have to choose the preferred iPhone that you want to mirror on your Mac, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily choose which iPhone to mirror on your macOS device. iPhone mirroring is going to further bolster your multitasking and productivity. You can take advantage of this pretty handy feature to respond to iPhone notifications, send text messages, or even navigate through iOS apps, all without taking your hands off your Mac's keyboard. Now feel free to share your feedback and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.